Good morning. Today is lesson 12-6, area on the coordinate plane. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using this thing called the geometric method for finding area. So here's how it's going to work. You're going to be given a figure that's on the coordinate plane. It's not going to be a nice figure, but it's going to be the same procedure each time. You're going to create a box or a rectangle around the shape, and this will form a number of new areas. To get the area of the original shape, you determine the area of this rectangle and then subtract the areas that are not your shape. So let's do question number 1. Here's how it works. I'm going to draw the rectangle around my image in black. So you always go to the farthest point and you only surround the shape. So if I look, I have my rectangle. We know that the area formula for a rectangle is base times height. The base of the rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my area of the rectangle is 7 times 7, which is 49. So now what I need to do is subtract the areas that are surrounding my rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some erasing. To make it look a little neater. And I'm going to draw my rectangle in red. And what I now need to do is find the area of this triangle and this triangle. So we know that the area of a triangle is base times height over 2, so I'm going to write that down. So we're going to need to find the area of triangle 1, which is in blue, and triangle 2, which is in black. So let's find it. We know the area formula for a triangle is base times height over 2. The base of this blue triangle is 1, 2. My height is 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. 2 times 4 is 8, and divided by 2 is 4. Now let's go to our second triangle. My base is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, but my area formula is still BH over 2. I should write that in. And my height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 2. 5 times 7 is 35. Divided by 2 is 17.5. I now subtract those from my rectangle's area of 49. So I do 49 minus 4 minus 17.5. And I just type that into my calculator. And that comes out to 27.5 units squared. And that's your final answer. And that is it for your lesson on the area method for finding, the box method for finding areas on the coordinate plane. So here's your general procedure. Draw your rectangle and then subtract your areas. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email myself or Miss Kimmick.